Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today I'll show you how to make butter naan at home without any tandoor. So let's get started. Let's look at the ingredients. We need some sugar and salt, some milk at room temperature, black cumin seeds, plain curd, baking soda and baking powder, melted butter, and some wheat flour. You can also get the ingredients and quantity in the description box. Let's prepare the dough. Please make sure you use milk, no water. Once the dough is ready and soft, cover it and rest it for 1 hour. Now that it's rested, we will knead it a little bit. We will make equal sized dough balls. It's time to roll. Sprinkle some flour. Don't roll it too thin or too thick. Sprinkle some black cumin. Flip it and apply some water. Make sure all the edges are wet. Put the naan on the hot tawa. Make sure the water side is down so that it sticks to this tawa. Once you start seeing the bubbles, flip it. Apply the heat evenly. The naan is almost ready, just one more step to go. Applying some melted butter. Repeat the same process. Enjoy the naan with your favorite curries. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and share.